Okay, so what's up guys? So guys, in this video I'm gonna guide you on how to download Pinterest video. So if you have been looking for a way of trying to download videos on Pinterest, then congratulations, this video is for you. So I'm gonna walk you through the step-by-step process on how to download Pinterest videos. So being said all those things, I'm gonna go through the video. So I'm gonna launch my my Pinterest app. Okay, now so now this is my Pinterest. I'm gonna click on it. So now if you want to download the video, then like assume I want to download this video, then I'm gonna click on it. So now if I want to download this video, then I'm gonna click on these three I'm gonna click on these three icons, these three dots, then click on copy link. So as you can see, the link has been successfully copied. So now let's head back to our home page and enter any browser that you have on your phone. So this is my browser. So once you are into your browser, you click on search and search for pintodown.com. Now click on search, then it will load. Okay, now it's redirecting me now to the website. So here is the website. So let's click on paste here, paste the link here and click on download. Now click on download. So let's click on the paste. So I'll click on the paste. Now as you can see, now this is my link. Now click on download. Now as you can see, it's progressing. So let's wait a little bit. Okay, now it's loading. So here you can download. Now this is our video. So here you can download the video thumbnail here, then you can download the video. Our video got